So, if you're wondering what people mean when they say link is in the bio on Instagram, it simply means the link is on their profile page, up there, with the name and description, or bio, like it's often called. For example, I'll pick a profile from my feed here, and the link in bio would show up right here. A lot of times, you can tap this to expand either the description or the links themselves, since there might be multiple links listed. In this case, when I tap this, the links open up here. I'll tap one of these, and it opens up within the Instagram app. Sort of looks like a web browser, but you're still on the Instagram app. The reason people often say link is in the bio is because Instagram doesn't actually let you insert clickable links directly in a post's description or in the comments. You can add hashtags, tag users, and you can mention a website, but if you add an actual link in the description or a comment, it won't be clickable. It just sits there as plain text. So people are essentially forced to put their links in the bio instead. So whenever you see link is in the bio, you'd go to their profile, tap the link from there, and it opens up the website. Depending on your phone, you can also often tap the three dots or some kind of extended menu and choose to open it in an external browser instead. That'll open the link in your actual web browser rather than browsing that site through Instagram's built-in browser. Anyways, that is what link in bio means. Click that link button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one.